everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to continue to look at two set Venn diagrams. Here we have some data. It's a little bit different from the last video if you watched the last video. The 20 is the same. This represents the number of people who were surveyed. So a total of 20 people were surveyed. 15 of those people have said that they own dogs. 8 of those people have said that they own cats. And 3 of those people that were surveyed said that they own neither dogs nor cats. Today, Pippi's going to help me out a bit, hopefully. Hopefully it doesn't fall over. What we're going to do, Pippi, is make a little box to house our data. In the corner, we're going to indicate the universal set S. And as I pointed out over here, the number of elements in our universal set is 20. Again, this is not technically part of the Venn diagram, but it's just a good reminder for us to check in the end that the total elements within this Venn diagram is going to be 20. Before I actually create the circles, what I'm going to find out is, do these numbers total to 20 like I'm expecting? So let's go ahead and add them up. We have 15 plus 8 plus 3. When we add those up, we are getting 26. So you might think, how's that possible? We're supposed to have 20. What that means is we actually have intersecting sets. That means we have some people who own both dogs and cats. The difference between what we are getting when we get that total and what we're supposed to be getting is what belongs in our intersection. So this means that 6 people own both dogs and cats. Which means when I draw my Venn diagram, I'm going to have an intersection. So I'm going to draw 2 circles that are intersecting. I'm going to label one as D for dogs and the other as C for cats. I'm going to take the 6 that I've figured out belongs in the intersection, and I'm going to put that in the region of overlap. That's representing those who own both dogs and cats. It's a region of overlap between our 2 circles. Now here, a common mistake would be for students to just go ahead and put the 15 there. But remember, 6 of those are already accounted for in the middle. So what actually belongs there is 15 minus 6. Pippi, what does that work out?
9.
9, yes, good. There we go. 9. Let's go over to cats. So going back to our data over here, we have 8 people who say they own cats, but 6 have already been accounted for in the middle. So we're going to go 8 minus 6 to get the 2 that own cats only. The last thing we need to take into account is the 3 who own neither dogs nor cats. That's going to go in the outer region. And in fact, I could have put that in earlier on because that's the only place where it could go. Before I say I'm done, I'm just going to do a quick check to make sure that all of these add up to the 20. So let's go ahead and do that. So 9 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3 does give me 20. So I'm going to say, awesome, we are done our Venn diagram. This will be an example of intersecting sets. Thanks again, everyone, for coming out today. Have a good day.